Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Put on gloves and eye protection. Open windows. Next, scuff the colored surface lightly with 800 grit sandpaper to remove clear coats so chemicals bite. Once done, apply a thin layer of metal-safe paint stripper gel designed for stainless. Follow product timing on label. You need to watch edges and seams. Use a plastic scraper after 8-15 minutes to lift softened color. Make sure to wipe residue with a cloth dampened in acetone before moving to detailed work. Now you focus on delicate, stubborn areas. Use a plastic scraper first. Switch to a brass-bristled brush for embossed or textured spots because it's aggressive without deep scratching. Once paint lifts, sand wet starting with 800 grit, then move to 1200, finishing at 2000 to blend scratches and restore satin. Keep the surface wet and use light, even strokes. You are removing color, not metal. After sanding, rinse away chemicals, neutralize according to the stripper's directions, and dry thoroughly with a lint-free towel. Finish by polishing to match original stainless sheen. Apply a non-abrasive metal polish or a 0.5 micro-m polishing paste and buff in the grain direction using a soft pad. Once polished, add a thin protective layer, clear lacquer for long-term protection, or a light mineral oil for temporary barrier, to prevent fingerprints and minor corrosion. If you still see colored stains, repeat targeted sanding on those areas or treat with a stainless passivation solution to remove embedded contaminants. Always rinse and dry fully after any chemical step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.